Hi my friends, let's model the part number 53 PURGE block from my collection of 100 parts. The picture of the part is here. You can see some interesting features, but let's study the drawing a little. There is another gauze 1/4 inch from the category of pipe threads, and we now experience with this from my previous tutorials. Let's start. The first is the base, a circle of 142, finish sketch, F6, which is this, with a thickness of 18, extrude 18, okay. Then there is a contour here, this one, which must be extruded from 18 to 41. 18 is this, 41 is from this face to bottom. 41 minus 18. Okay, this contour has 30, dimension 30 here, and a cylinder of 95. Let's create this construction. A circle of 95, and two lines, two parallel lines, 1, 2, equal to be symmetrical, at a distance of 30. Then split the circle, split the lines, and then I select internal segments to be construction lines. This contour must be extruded on 41 minus 18. Okay, then I apply radius 8 fillets, which are more easy to be placed now than in the sketch. Good. Another contour is this one. We are experts in creating such contours. Remember, 3 dimensions are necessary. One is 62, another one is 11, and another is 70. So let's create this contour, line, arc, tangent, arc, tangent, another arc, another tangent, and the last arc. Only this is not tangent, and you have to see that some are parallel. Tangent here equal this two, and also this two, coincident these two, and coincident with the center point. Now the same horizontal between these two and these two. Good. What else? Very good. Okay. Now dimensions, as I mentioned. This is diameter of 62, the radius of 11, and the distance of 70. That's all. Finish sketch. The height is 78 minus 41. Extrude 78 minus 41. Okay. F6. And now let's create this revolving hollow inside the part. We have this dimension 62, 30, 46. This is 32, 18, an angle of 15, and a depth of 37. We respect all these dimensions in our construction. The plane is XY, F7, and contour. Line, line, angle, arc, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, and up to the upper face. Another line here, center line from this midpoint to this midpoint, which are green, and the closure. Escape. This is the contour. We apply the angle because this is recommended at the beginning, 15. And now dimensions. This is 37. This is 32. Radius is 4. then 46. This corner is dimensioned with 50. This diameter is 62. And some vertical 18. Fully constrained. Okay. Okay. Revolve. Cut. And this is the result. Now we place the hole here, which is this, with dimensions counterbore 20 with 4 millimeters, and the axis is placed at 18 on the center plane course. The first is the axis. I activate axis and I create axis by creating a plane at -18 intersected with this plane. Now the axis is here. A point on this face in the axis, and now the hole. The hole is counterbore with dimensions 24 millimeters, gauge 1/4 inch. The thread is on 16 from here, and 32 is the whole hole. Let's apply these dimensions. We select the point, the direction, and now let's see what dimensions must be placed here. The hole is a thread, so we select this. ISO pipe threads, not gauge half an inch, neither this one, I suppose this one. We see by research what is the result here. This is 1/8, not good. This is 1/4. This is good. Now we know when we have a counterbore, we apply tab. This is not all. This is a depth, a certain depth. This is 32, and we have also 32. Okay. Tab to the diameter of the counterbore. You see here is selected. We have 20. Then tab to the depth of this. We have 4. Good. Tab the end angle. Okay. And now this the depth of the thread. The depth of the thread is 16. That's all. That's all. You see here, everything is presented. The conical end, yes, this is conical, 118 degrees. This is 16, the depth of the thread. This is 4 millimeters, diameter of 20. Everything is okay here. Good. I make this not visible. We don't need them. And I apply a mirror to place the other hole. The object of the mirror is this. The plane is XY. Let's see. Yes. Okay. And now we need to apply through hole of diameter of 5 concentric with this. This means that I select this face, no important, this face, concentricity, not threaded and without counter bore, all the way, diameter of 5. Okay, now you see there is a hole through. Very nice. Next are these two holes, these two small holes to finish with the combination here. Two holes of 5 at 92, yes, but not through, but to this hole. Okay, I select the face, I place 2 points, 1, 2, I connect them with the construction line, I disable construction, coincident this midpoint, where is it? Here, with the center, and vertical, this line. The distance, I said that it is 92. Finish sketch. Hole. They are present here. The diameter is 5, but not through. We don't want to be outside here. 2, and we look inside to show this. And now we see that the hole is finished in this hole. Okay. We can see inside, very easy. If we try to make a sketch in this plane and we apply F7, yes, we see inside that everything is okay, just like the drawing. Control Z, F6, nothing was added. There are 2 holes here of metric 10 with a depth of 20, threaded on 15. Let's create. The distance between these two is also 70 like this flange. Oh, then we can make our easy sketch. Threaded on a distance, isometric profile 10, and now let's select where. Yes, here it is not necessary, of course. It waits for me to apply here the depth for thread. This is 15. Tab, the full depth is 20. Okay, we can see inside by creating a sketch in this plane. F7. You see, thread, hole, and the other things. Control Z. We don't want a sketch now. F6. We are almost ended. There is a number of 6 holes. The first one is in this plane. Which plane? The plane along x-axis. We place a point and we apply constraint for this point, and the distance is 118 divided by 2. The distance is 118 divided by 2. Finish sketch. Hole. What is definition? 11, 11 again, yes, and 18 is this. Good. Let's go to the part, hole, not threaded, counterbore, 11, tab, 11, tab, 18. No, this is 11. Oh, the hole is through. Okay. The first hole. You see? This is that hole. And now circular pattern for this hole using this axis, and 6 is the number. F6, material, steel carbon, aspect of cast, and some faces to be machined. I don't know which one must be machined, but I suppose still polished. F6. Well, there is another small mistake. You see, this threaded depth is 16, and I measured it from the front, not from this counterbore, so I have to change it. This is, and you see here 16 is from outside to here. I have to add 4 millimeters, and I apply 16 plus 4, tab. Okay. Now data for this part about 3.5 kilograms. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.